What's up guys, today is going to be a really fun day because today is the day that I get to show you all the new Supermoto build that we're doing for the YouTube channel. Let me show you what the bike looks like. So this is kind of weird because I live in an apartment complex and I don't really have anywhere to put the bike, but as of right now it's just on my patio. As you can see, it is a CRF450R, it's a 2003. And it needs some stuff done to it. Right now, it needs a new front tire, it needs a new rear brake, it needs grips and levers. There's some stuff that it needs to be 100%, but we're gonna get it running perfect and we're gonna get it riding perfect, and then we're gonna do a full Supermoto conversion, make this thing street legal, give it street tires, and it's gonna be really awesome. First things first, I gotta get this somewhere that I can work on it, because one, there's not really enough space on my patio to work on it, plus I'm assuming apartment management is gonna complain at some point. So I need to get this somewhere, either at a friend's house or shop, so I can work on it. So let's get this thing loaded up and let's get into the build. Okay, we got the bike inside, off the patio. The trailer should be here soon. We're taking it to a friend's house so we can work on it. We're gonna put on a new front tire and a new tube. We already got new grips that are here. We just need to put them on and then try and figure out what's going on with that rear brake because it's not really working. It feels like it could be working, but it's not quite. So we'll get going on that here in just a second.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so we got some new cheap grips on it. We got a new front tire and a new tube. Rear brake is still not working properly. We think it just needs fluid, so we're gonna run up to AutoZone. We're gonna grab some .4 fluid, and the front brakes are having some issues, so we think it might be covered in brake fluid or shock fluid. So we have to get that figured out too. So we're gonna run to AutoZone real quick, grab some brake fluid, and then see if we can get this thing to actually stop properly.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we got some .4 fluid. We put it in the rear. We got the rear brakes working. We got the front brakes working after we sprayed it with a bunch of brake cleaner and got them really hot. They were working just fine. Unfortunately, this rear brake is leaking a little bit of fluid, but whatever. We'll just keep adding fluid or eventually replace this brake master. But otherwise, the bike is actually working now. So tomorrow we're going to take it out to the desert, actually see how it does, and then eventually we're going to put the Supermoto wheels on it
Tomorrow.
All right, here we are at 7:30 the next day. I'm just finishing my morning coffee, and then we're going to go to my parents' house, pick up the truck, and then we're going to go to my friend's house, pick up all the dirt bikes, take them all out, and give them the proper test. All right, we got all 3 bikes loaded up. We got the old trusty truck. We got my CRF, and CRF with the 500cc kit in it, and then a YZ426. I'm gonna go to the gas station, get them all gassed up, and then head out. All right guys, so unfortunately my camera body overheated while we were out in the desert, so I wasn't able to really shoot anything. But to give you an update, the bike runs super good. We off-roaded for a few hours, no issues whatsoever. The front fork is leaking more than it was before. Let me show you what I mean by the front fork leaking. So the front fork, you can't really see it, but there's, you know, there's fluid all over the tires. It's leaking a fair bit of fluid. There's some fluid down there. So the front forks are definitely leaking quite a bit. But you know, what do you expect for a $1,500 dirt bike? Also, one funny thing, while we were out there, this plastic piece right here just popped off, so my airbox was exposed. But then at some point during the day, my seat bolt also fell out. So yeah, we got some work to do, but I think this will make a good project in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the build so far. Not a whole lot has happened so far, but trust me, we're gonna Supermoto this thing. It's gonna be awesome. Right now, it's basically just a little bit broken. You can see it there in the background. It runs great. There's just a lot of little random issues like the rear brake leaking, the front forks leaking, both the tires suck. So we're gonna take care of all that stuff and we're gonna make this one awesome Supermoto, so stay tuned. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button before you guys leave and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.